How to delete Gmail account permanently on PC. First of all, open Gmail account on your PC and then click on the profile icon at the top right corner of the Gmail account. Once done, select this Manage Your Google Account button. Once you get access to this page, on this left panel, you will see the option of Data and Privacy. Click on it. And once you reach on this page, you have to scroll all the way down and here you will see the option of more options. So on this you need to click on delete your Google account. Enter the password of your account on this page. If you forget your password, you can click on this button or link and easily receive from there. So let's enter it here. Once you verify that it's you, you will get access to this page where you have to read this carefully because it's not the usual blah blah. So once you read this all the information here, you need to check mark this box once you read all of this instruction here. So after you are done with that, you need to click on this delete account button. So wait until it gets loaded here. Now click on delete account button. And if you want to sign out or singing is paused, so you can sign in again. So if you don't want, then let's tap on continue button and you can see here that your Google account and all this data have been deleted. So that means our Gmail account has also been deleted permanently. So if you want to recover your account, you can click on recover your account button and easily recover it later. So that was it guys. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.